Hey bird lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm sharing an easy, healthy soft food recipe for cockatiels that's packed with nutrients and perfect for molting, breeding, or just keeping your little feathered friend in top shape. White heavy checkmark examples of healthy soft foods for cockatiels. Boiled eggs with shell. Excellent source of protein and calcium. Cooked brown rice or quinoa. Easy to digest and rich in nutrients. Steamed carrots. Broccoli, sweet potato. Full of vitamin A and minerals. Mashed hard-boiled egg plus whole grain breadcrumbs. Great soft mix for chicks or molting birds. Fruit, small amounts, apple, pear, or banana. Always avoid seeds or pits.